In this video, I'm going to show you some new tools that Harbor Freight just added to their stores. Now, I'm not sure what the criteria is as far as their new items because they still have the Icon magnetic mat as a new item. So they definitely keep it on that list for quite some time. But I'm going to show you the more recent additions to the site that they already have here in this store. I'm going to first cover some Hercules items that they just came out with. First up is the 20-volt brushless 7/16 high torque impact wrench. It has 4 modes to it, which is selected through the base part here by the battery. It offers 700 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,200 pounds of bolt breakaway torque. That's what the end looks like. So it has a collet there. You pull it out to be able to fit the bit in there. And the retail price on this is $229. It is tool only, and the Hercules 20-volt tools do come with a 5-year warranty on them. And the next new Hercules tool is going to be on this 20-volt brushless surface conditioning tool. So it's going to be sold tool only. It has a 6-speed mode to it, so you can change the RPMs on it, basically from 1,000 to just over 3,000 RPMs. It actually goes to 3,700. So 6-speed control there, brushless motor. So this would be nice and portable, being a cordless tool versus the corded tool that they have. And this is also sold as tool only, and it's priced at $150. Again, 5-year warranty on that one versus the corded tool would not have a 5-year warranty on it, and that's only $10 cheaper. But obviously you will need the battery and charger to go with that one. And to give you an idea as far as the different drums that they offer, so you do different things between stripping metal and conditioning metal, buffing even. So they have a service conditioning drum priced at $12. The service conditioning drum of the 240 grit. This other one was 120 grit. This one's priced at $10. Then they have a buffing drum that's currently on ITC at $25, but it's retail at $30. And then a 60 grit drum priced at $10. Then they have a 40 grit one priced at $30. It's also on an ITC deal currently at $25. And then they have the crimped steel wire drum priced at $30, and it's also currently on an ITC deal at $25. And the next new item out is on this Hercules 3-inch magnetic bit holder. It has a 1/4-inch shank. So it is impact rated, so you can use it in both a drill and impact driver. And it says it has a strong magnet that secures a bit and fastener, and you use it for 1-inch insert bits. Here's the back of the package, so you can take a look at its other features. These are obviously great to have, and it's good to see that Hercules came out with this style of bit holder. They have another one that's like a long sleeve one that you'd be able to put over a bit, but that's been to the market already. So this bit holder does retail at $4. And the next newer tool out, well, it's actually going to be a kit that they have, and it's going to be on this Bauer brushless 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench. So it has a 5 amp hour battery and charger. This offers 1,000 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque, has 3 speeds to it by the battery here, and it also offers 650 foot-pounds of fastening torque. So the tool by itself retails at $130, but I would definitely recommend going for the kit itself, because the kit price is priced at $160, and it includes that 5 amp hour battery and charger. If you were to buy the 5 amp hour battery and charger by itself, well, that's priced at $115. So it's like a no-brainer to go with a kit for only additional $30 versus the tool only price. So that's actually a decent deal right there already at its normal retail price. And the next item I wanted to share, but they don't have it in stock yet at this store, and that's going to be on the Hercules 20/12 volt dual bay parallel battery charger. That's going to be priced at $120, and that won't be a bad price for a dual bay charger like that. So maybe it'll hit your store soon. It hasn't hit mine yet. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos and videos like this. And let's go to the next new item. And the next new item that's listed on the website is this Hercules Random Orbit Dual Action Polisher Backing Pad. It's a 3-inch one has a hook and loop to it. This would be easily paired with their newer to market of the dual action polisher that they recently came out with. And here's the back of the package. And so this retails at $13. Now we'll go ahead and cover it since that other new item I just showed. This is the newer to market 3-inch Random Orbit dual action polisher. It has a 4.5 amp motor, and this retails at $120, and it has a variable speed to it as well. And they recently came out with a brand new entry-level welder. It's a 3-in-1 multi-process welder. It has a max output of 135 amps and it's made by the Berger brand. Has an LED display, so you're able to do flux, TIG, and stick welding with it. So this retails at 120 bucks. In the kit that this includes, you're able to do flux and stick welding with it. You won't be able to do TIG with it. You'd have to buy the accessory kit, which is right next to the welder here. So they have the TIG welding accessory kit, and this retails at 80 bucks. And so far, based on the online reviews, 100% of the reviews do recommend this item, and it's rated at 4.9 out of 5 star. So it's got great reviews so far, and including from experienced welders say it's pretty decent for what it's capable of doing as far as basic stuff around the house and maybe out on the farm or somewhere. But it's obviously going to be the most basic welder. It's not going to be able to do thick material, but going in with a basic welder for 120 bucks, I think you really can't beat that. And it's a decent one to maybe try out, especially if you're looking to get into welding. Might be a decent one to start with and get the feel for it. But again, there are going to be better welders out there for higher dollar amount, but this would be a great way to get into it and not spend a whole lot. And the next item is something that many people have been waiting for. It's the 8-switch panel by Roadshock. So you're able to control 8 different things on this one module. So it has 4 programmable modes, a solid state relays, and it's plug and play wiring. It is rated IP65 rated, so it is compatible with Roadshock Edge, Roadshock LED, and most major brands. And here's the back of the package showing basically the wire diagram. So it has the controller and then the power module, which you could have like under the hood where you have all the wires going to with the fuses. Then it gets connected to the battery through a 60 amp resettable circuit breaker. So it actually looks pretty nice. This is item number 71426, and this retails at 140 bucks. And then here's the 4 programmable modes. So you could toggle momentary, turn signaling, and pulse. And something I want to give you guys a heads up on, coming up next week, starting next Friday, they're going to be having 2 separate deals going on. They're going to be having a week-long deals of ITC deals as well as storage days. So that's going to be coming up next week. And I don't know the details of the deals yet, but I will be sure to bring them to you. So be sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can be updated on what's going to be happening with those deals. And the next new item is by Merlin. It's the 3/8 inch by 50-foot heavy-duty retractable air hose reel. It does include the hybrid hose, which is made of a PVC and rubber. It has a kink-proof collar to it, extremely flexible, and it's rated at a max 300 psi, and it has a 1/4 inch national pipe thread to it. And this retails at 90 bucks. And there's another new Merlin product. It's the pistol grip inflator. Easy to read 2-inch gauge. Displays pressure from 10 psi up to 160 psi for accurate inflation. And it's actually a pretty good price at only $12.99. And the next new item is the Quinn 428-piece Master Technician tool set. Now, I know you might be thinking, this has been out for years. Well, they actually updated it, and the changes they made are new ratchets, which is a 90-tooth ratchet with a 4-degree arc swing. So it's replaced the old ratchets that they had, and it's everything else is the same about the kit besides the ratchets, and the retail price is 430 bucks. So if you're lucky, you might be able to find some that are still on clearance on the previous version. I'm not sure how much they marked it down, but I think it might be a better upgrade to get the new ones with the new ratchets. Now, this next item was the item I thought I had showed my last new tool video, which ended up being the 3/8 version of it, because they didn't have this new 1/4 inch version of the indexable head ratchet by Pittsburg. So I did make the mistake of showing the 3/8 one, and it was before the 1/4 inch one hit the store shelves. So I'm going to show it again in this video of the actual 1/4 inch indexable head ratchet. Basically able to switch the angle out of the ratchet, and it offers a lifetime warranty. And this retails for 20 bucks. So something like this would qualify for a 30% off and under deal for ITC members whenever they have the 30% off weekends. So it might be a good pickup, because I know many of you mentioned you were waiting for the 1/4 inch version to come out. And one thing I wanted to mention in this video, as you already know, they brought out a lot of new G2 icon ratchets. There was a guy that did post on the community post on my channel that showed the sign of some stores offering deep discounts of like 40% off on the G1 icon ratchets. So maybe check your store to see if they happen to have any of the G1s left, and you might be able to get a good deal on it. Whereas at my store here, they don't have any sale signage, and they only have a couple of the G1s left that are in the swivel head ones. And there's no sale price here on this store, but maybe check your store for any good deals on the G1s. and they certainly don't have a good deal going on the gold ratchet. And then while I am at the G2 ratchets, so these were the recent ones that they came out with on the 3/8 drive of the 4 1/5 stubby ratchet, as well as the flex ratchet that's 4 3/4 of an inch. Then they also have the G2 of the 10-inch standard ratchet and the 3/8 drive. And I did do a video of the new G2s that hit the stores recently. I'll go ahead and mention them again in this video. So they have all these that are new 1/4 inch drive of G2s between the 6.5-inch flex head ratchet, the 6.5-inch standard ratchet, and the regular grip. And then they have the comfort grip one that both retail for $40. Then they have a 4 5/8 inch one priced at $33. Then they have the 3 1/4 inch stubby flex ratchet and the regular 2 5/8 stubby ratchet. So in case you missed my Icon G2 video, I will be sure to put a link up above to it, but I wanted to go ahead and show it again in this video, the comparison between the 1/4 inch and the 3/8 drive of the stubby ratchets. There's obviously a big size difference between the two. So I would imagine it's going to be a still popular item to be able to switch out the 1/4 inch drive for a 3/8 snap-on one, and you still have a much smaller ratchet compared to the actual 3/8 drive stubby. And the next new group of items to recently hit the store is from the US General purple magnetic hook, as well as the different magnetic accessories for the toolboxes are now in purple. So they have the different varieties between the paper towel holder, the outlet, and so far from what I've seen online, they have the can holder with the screwdriver holder. So they have all the different accessories as well as the cup holder as well. So many different options there in the new purple color. And the next new US General item is on the one drawer service cart in the new purple, because they came out with the purple on the other toolboxes first, and now they recently released the purple of this box. They just don't have one on display here. And the next new item is on the Daytona 3-ton jack stand in the new metallic red. It is a sharp looking color, and of course they have it on the shelf here where it is shaded, but can't really see the true color of it. So that's the new color that they recently came out with that retails for $50 for the pair, which is currently on a super coupon deal of saving 30%. So it's an excellent deal on it, saving the 30% on them and pick them up for $35. All right, that's going to be it for the new tools I'm going to cover in this video. If you did get any value from it, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.